Hello everyone, and welcome to my series on amazing walks in Vancouver. Tonight we're going to take a bit of a city walk and a little bit of ocean view walk. We're starting here at Kitsilano Beach, and we are going to head across an historic Art Deco structure in Vancouver. We're going to get great views of the ocean and the mountains and the city. Let me just show you where we're going to be heading towards. We are going to be walking over the Burrard Street Bridge. Now you can start on any side of the bridge. We just happen to live on the south side, nearer to Kitsilano, and there's a lot more parking here, so we decided to start here. I'll share the links of the route down below in the description. To reach the start of the bridge, you have to walk up through Vanier Park, which is what this part of Kitsilano Beach is called. And you walk up and you go past the planetarium and past the Music Academy, and then you turn left until you reach the bridge. So we're just at the south end of the bridge now, and it would be easiest for us to walk up the west side because, well, that's the side we're on right now. But we want to do both sides, and we actually want to end up right here. And Steve, you tell me, why do we want to end up right here?
Because we're going to go to one of my most favorite spots for a treat in all of Vancouver.
Definitely. And at the end of the video, we're going to take you where we're going. Just down below us, you can see one of the little False Creek ferries crossing. These ferries go all the way up and down the creek, and they take pedestrians, and some of the bigger ones even take bicycles. So we've reached the end of the bridge, and you've got a lot of options from here. We're right on the edge of downtown Vancouver, and if you kept walking straight, in about 15 minutes you'd find yourself, I think, Canada Place.
And the convention center.
And the convention center. If you turned, I don't know my left from my right.
If you turn east.
If you turned east, you could walk all the way around False Creek, right on the waterfront. And if you turned west and kept going, you'd find yourself walking along the seawall at English Bay, and then that would lead on to Stanley Park. But we're gonna head back and we're gonna walk across the west side of the bridge. And why are we heading back?
Because I'm getting hungry and I'm dying for my treat.
Right, treats. We're saving that for the end. The views from the west side of the bridge are absolutely stunning. If you look down below and to the right, you can see English Bay, and further on in the distance you can see the forests around Stanley Park. The North Shore Mountains are in the background, and to the left is Vanier Park, leading on to Kitsilano Beach. And we are just about 2 minutes away from our very favorite treat spot. All you need to do is walk straight down Cornwall and you are at Siegel's Bagels. Undeniably the best bagel shop in Vancouver. Right at the corner of Cornwall and Cypress. How can you beat bagels that come straight out of a wood-fired oven? Well, I hope you've enjoyed our walk over the Burrard Bridge tonight. And I think we're gonna have to end this video now because we are at Siegel's Bagels and we are hungry and we have poppy seed bagels. Is your mic on?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just gonna check. Yeah, I can see that it's on. So right in 15 minutes, you'd find yourself at the other end at, what's it called?